These Shirataki noodles are a weight loss cheat code. They have just 25 calories for this entire package. That would be over 275 calories in cooked pasta, 10 times the calories. You can find these on Amazon or basically at any grocery store nowadays. Just rinse them with some cold water, drain them, and pop them into a bowl. At this point, most people dry fry them or boil them for a little bit, but I find if you microwave them for 90 seconds to 2 minutes until they're nice and hot, they just taste amazing and can be used in all kinds of noodle recipes, like this low-calorie, high-protein beef pho that I'm about to show you. This recipe tastes and looks so fantastic, especially for how little work it is. I start with a pre-made pho broth that I bought from the grocery store. You could easily use beef broth and add some star anise, some cinnamon, some ginger, a little bit of fish sauce, and boil it for a little while, but just way easier to buy the pre-made stuff, and then just put it on the stove and get it up to a boil. And then we can just prepare the rest of your ingredients in the meantime. Top and tail your lime, and then you're going to cut it in half and into quarters. The next thing that you need to make this soup extra fragrant is a big handful of fresh basil. You can smack that bitch against the table, and it's a little bartending trick, apparently makes it more fragrant. One thing you could do is just take all the leaves off, but don't throw away this stem. Put that in the soup too. It's very tasty. Then take 2 of these little red Thai chilies. I love the red Thai chilies because they are red and they make the soup pop with a little bit of color, and they are hot as hell. But if you want to use jalapenos or bird's eye chilies or whatever else, that'll work too. If you haven't seen my beef and broccoli video, I'm all about cheap, high protein, and healthy. That's why I bought this outside round roast, and I slice it super thin because it's great in stir fries and soups. It has a ton of flavor and it's extra cheap. You pop your raw beef onto the hot noodles, and then all you do is just pour your boiling hot broth directly over the beef, and that fragrant broth imbues the beef and cooks it up into this nice, tender, juicy hunk of steak that's floating around with the noodles. It is really tough to beat. Top that off with a huge handful of bean sprouts for a little bit of extra crisp and crunch. And then just stuff your lime wedges and your basil into the soup so that they can release some of their extra fragrance in along with there, and top it with as many chilies as you are brave enough to put in here. And I dare you to try and beat the macros. 313 calories, 38 grams of protein, and just 7 grams of fat on this. If you want to zhuzh it up, you can add a little hoisin sauce and a little sriracha on top. Although at the time of recording this, we're in a global sriracha shortage, so pray for some peppers and go watch my high protein beef and broccoli recipe because it's fucking awesome. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.